Hi guys, welcome to Love It by Andrea. New hair for the summer. Woo. Later I'm gonna explain all the background of my hair, but let's start this video. This video today is showing you guys how I make this no makeup look for my everyday, using less products as possible to make it like really easier for you guys, okay? And as always, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can share this video with anyone that you like, okay? See you in a bit. So guys, before doing my no makeup for my everyday makeup, I like to moisturize my skin, of course, and I always apply a little bit of oil under my eyes because I do have like this under eye very dry, and after that I do apply sunscreen, and today I am gonna be wearing the BareMinerals Complexion Rescue, but first I'm gonna apply the Professional from Benefit. So my idea for the no makeup is for you to wear as less products as possible. So for the skin, basically it's gonna be that's it. I'm gonna be applying just a little bit of a bronzer and a little bit of a blush. So now I am going to the eyes. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes. I'm gonna be applying this first one here, and then just this one here on my lids. If I can give a tip, if you position your mirror like kind of down and you look like down, that is going to make your mascara application easier, and also your eyeliner. So for brows, I like the more natural as possible, so I just like brush my brows like this, just to place it on its place, and then I'm gonna use the Gimme Brow from Benefit, because I think that this one is easier for you to use, even it's very difficult for you to mess it up if you are afraid of doing it, because this is just like if you get like the wrong shade, but other than that, this is like very easy and simple step for you to have a good brow. we are done with eyes, and now I am gonna use bronzer, and this bronzer is a kind of, it's from Brazil, okay, and this bronzer has it's a bronzer and a kind of a highlight, and I just mix it. It's just like the Too Faced one, natural bronzer, that I mix both shades, and I do apply like a 3, and then I am not really doing a contour on my nose, but I don't like my nose. My nose is like very thin here and very wide here, like kind of a ball. I call it like a clown's nose. So I'm gonna be doing like this, like just like here on the tip, like and on the bottom, okay? And for blush, I love the Dior Rosy Glow, okay, because it changes throughout the day depending on your skin pH. So I call it like I say that I do have a different blush throughout the day, so I really like it. And I almost forgot my concealer. Now I'm gonna do highlight, and I am going to use the CLE Clay. This one I got on my Allure Beauty box, and this highlight, it's so natural. It's a cushion one, and I love it because like it's perfect for daytime. I really love it, like it's beautiful. And now to finish this look, I am going to do lips, and I'm gonna be using the NYX lip liner in the shade Pink Nude. I think it's Pink Nude, yes, Pink Nude, and the Juice Shake Matte from Lancome in the shade Sea, Sand, and Sun. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you next time. Bye.